How to request multiple payments in PayPal. So let's get started with the process. Once you log into your PayPal account, you can click the Request Payments under Quick Links. If you don't find it here, click Pay and Get Paid link in the top menu. And again, click Request Payments under Accept Payments. In this field, enter the multiple client's name or their PayPal username or the phone or email address. Always adding client's email address is preferred. You can add a maximum of 20 clients. And continue. In this page, enter the payment amount. The multiple payment request is better for courses and subscription payment request. And select the currency type from the list of currency. If you want to add any instruction or mention the job description, you can enter in this box. Finally, click the Request Payment button. And done, request has been sent for payment to the client. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.